Hi, everybody. A very good afternoon to you all. And I'm Ishwarya here, and I'll be the host for today's session of interview preparation strategies. And hope that you all are doing good. And yeah, so let's begin our ritual, like wishing each other, like greeting each other. So I would like to have some comments and just tell me that how you guys doing and how is your day going, right? So I'm waiting for your comments in the comment section, and just if you could please help me that if I'm audible to you guys or not, so that we can proceed forward with our webinar. Meanwhile, assuming that I am audible to you guys, I just want to update again that this Geek Olympic is going on. It is one of our major events of the year, and in this week we conduct different contests and through which you can grab various opportunities. And this time it's very crazy. Like you can get internships also because today is a jobathon, and you should surely check out our page, and the link of the same is in the description below. You can just check it out, and if you want, if you can't find the link, just update me in the comment section and I'll put the link in the comments so that you guys can get from there. Hello everybody, finally I'm getting some comments here. Hi Suraj, I'm good, how about you? Oh yeah, you have also already mentioned. Vicky, hi Vicky, I'm also doing good. Naveen, Navina, hi Navina. Thank you Suraj for letting me know that I'm audible. Hello Kajal, everybody. Ayush, we'll surely take up your question, but it will be taken in the Q&A session. So you have to wait till then. You have to, you know, stay tuned with us till the Q&A session begin. So today, for our today's session, we have Miss Mahisha Patel with us, who will be sharing her interview experience and her preparation strategies. Like how did she go for the interview and what she thought was worked for her and did not work for her. So let's this is the time when we can just grab some insights from others experience and apply in our preparation. So we are also thankful to Maisha for coming here for the session. I'll quickly add her to the stream, but again I'm just telling you guys that there is this jobathon going on right now in our Geek Olympic event, and it's a 2 hour long hiring challenge for students who are interested in bagging an internship. So you can just check it out. I am putting a link of the same in the comment section. I'm not asking you guys again. You have to check it now because it's really crazy and good. Yeah, you should check it. And also, it just has 5 hours left. So सिर्फ 5 घंटे हैं. So you just have to go for it. So now, without wasting any time, okay, that was too much for me. So let's add Maisha to the stream and begin with our webinar.
Hello,
Hi
hello
Mahisha,
everyone.
how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. So Mahisha, how was your day by far? Yeah, it's two. I'm asking
Actually,
very early about it.
yeah, but it's like I was pretty excited about this, so it was like really good.
Right. That's great because we are also excited. My excitement is all over my face because
Same here.
so so let's begin with our webinar, Maisha. And our
Yes.
webinar begins with a quick introduction about you. Who are you?
Okay.
So that they can put up their queries accordingly. That in what manner they can you can help our audience when they start the Q&A session, and they get to
Yes.
know you better. So let's begin with your
Okay.
introduction.
Okay, so I am Mahisha Patel, and I've just finished my junior year, and currently I am a final year computer science student from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College, which is in Ahmedabad. It is a Gujarat Technological University affiliated college, and my technical skills include various programming languages. I am familiar with various programming languages such as C++, Core Java, PHP, JavaScript, R, and I have a pretty good grip with Python. And other than that, I have a propensity towards data science and artificial intelligence, which now has been a year for me learning AI. And apart from that, I am currently an artificial intelligence intern at Braynix AI. And other than that, I love to write articles. and I've been contributing in various medium publications such as towards AI Analytics Vidhya as well as Geeks for Geeks. I have contributed articles to Geeks for
Wow.
Geeks also, and that was all about academics. And apart from that, I love listening to music, and I love watching binge watching web series.
Wow. After all this, you also get time to binge watch this, right?
Actually, whenever
Wow.
I get time, I don't miss that.
That's great. That is also
Yeah,
important, by the way. Easily.
yeah, it's exactly.
Yeah. So moving ahead, Mahisha, I would
Yeah.
like to know that how did you get to know about this job opening at Braynix AI?
Okay, so at Braynix AI, I didn't know about this opening, but an employee from the Braynix AI contacted me through LinkedIn and told me about this internship opportunity. So they just told me that if I'm interested, I can like send my apply through like sending them a mail and my GitHub profile. So then I sent them, and then we proceeded with the further selection process.
Okay, okay. Now, now we want to know about our audience would like to know about more, like your company, your Brainix AI.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let's move forward to that and
Okay. So
the company's introduction.
okay, so Brainix AI has a wide range of services to offer. We help people solve their problem using web development, app development, chatbots, data analytics, SEO and digital marketing, graphic designing, and much more. And we try to solve people's problem with a pinch of artificial intelligence. And apart from that, we have our two upcoming products based on one product is based on healthcare sector, and other product is based on legal sector, which on which both I'm working on in my internship.
Okay. Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. So, right. So, we would like this, that this interview series is majorly about knowing your preparation strategies. And so, preparation strategies begins with a question when our
Yeah.
audience get to know that how was the interview. So, we
Okay.
would like to know about the interview rounds. Next,
Okay.
that how many rounds were
So
there in your interview process, and yeah, then we'll get ahead.
okay.
We'll
Okay.
take this step by step.
Yeah. So basically, I had two rounds. The first round was a telephonic introductory round, and the second one was a technical plus managerial round, and that was a Google Meet. So I had basically
Okay.
two rounds.
Okay, perfect. So, can you please describe these rounds in a very,
Yeah.
can you please explain these each in
Yeah.
both
Yeah.
the rounds? That what happened,
Okay.
what type of
Okay.
questions were there, what were their difficulty level, and how did you prepare for it? You can tell a little bit, but we'll discuss in other questions as well.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, so for the first round was an introductory round, and in my introductory round, I was asked about the projects that I worked on, my interest, what I to work like what I would like to work on in the future in the company if I get selected. What are my skills? What are the interests? And they also asked me about the articles which I've written. So yeah, this was all about the first round. It was like there
Okay,
were no technical questions. It was just a basic interactive round, and it was like explaining my resume and justifying it, like what I've done. Then
got it.
yeah. Then second round was a technical plus managerial round, and in that round, firstly I was asked about the my past experiences, like my past internship, like what role I got in my past internship, and what projects I've done in my internship. And then the next
Okay,
question was the research, the things that I know about the company. So they asked me that before coming to an interview, like what did you prepare, what did you research about our company, and what did you know about our company. So that was the next question. And then it was followed by many technical questions. So the technical questions consisted of the domains like machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. And to be more specific, I would like to say that the questions I was asked was about convolutional neural networks, the optimizers, the loss functions, the hypertuning, the ML algorithms, and about deploying the ML algorithms and DL. and all that was asked.
Okay.
And basically I would like to add that they looked for an understanding of holistic understanding of concepts, emphasizing the mathematical context and the prospects to replace the predefined libraries with new functions by tweaking the formulas. So it was like basically more of a mathematical approach. Like I had to explain like what stuffs are going on behind these libraries and the algorithms we are using. So it was all about it.
Great. So must have been an interesting one, much interesting
Yeah,
experience for you. Yeah.
definitely.
So
Yeah.
our next question would be around now coming to the preparation strategy. As I've mentioned, that we'll come towards it.
Okay.
So, what is your take on when should one start preparing for their interviews? What is your strategy plan? You are sharing your experience for interview. Sorry, your internship interview experience, right? So, what do
Yes.
you
Yeah.
think one should start preparing, and when should one start preparing? And start thinking about that. Okay, one should have to do an internship. So what is your take on
Okay. Okay, so I would like to suggest that if one should like start preparing for interviews in the junior year itself, like in the fifth semester. Ideally, like people say that, but it's like I would also add, I would like to add that one should start preparing for an interview when one starts learning itself, because I think that the important thing from the my experience I would like to share that the interviews are like not that tough, but it includes the basic concepts. Like you should know the base and you should have a strong foundation of the basics. So I think that one should like start preparing as soon as they start learning something. So
yeah.
I had like no strategic plan, like a different strategic plan. I just cleared my concepts from the day I started learning itself. Okay, so when I started learning this AI and all from like my fifth semester, so I was like more focusing on the mathematical concepts, because it's like we have many predefined libraries and all in for our work in artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. But what's important is that you should know how to use them. You should know the basic concepts about them, like what's going behind them. So that was all
Okay.
like my plan, that I just focused on the basic concepts more. And the another thing I used to do was I just take a short note, like whatever I learn, I just make a short note, so that it helped me at the interview time. Like when I had to revise the things, I just go through that. So it helped me a lot. And the mathematical concepts, like as I told that my interview was more focused on the mathematical concepts behind that. So
Right.
my focusing on the mathematical concepts like really helped me to crack the interview. Like if I would have not focused on that, maybe I would not get this internship. So that's it.
Okay. So like you have also mentioned you have mentioned that you are into data science, and your profile is also into data science and artificial intelligence. So
Yes.
what do you think? So we want to understand, or we would like to know that how one should start learning data science and artificial intelligence.
Okay. Okay, so data science is a field which is like not depends on one discipline. It contains multidisciplinary subjects that includes computer science, statistics, data analytics, and machine learning. So I would like to suggest that before jumping into data science, one must have a good understanding of the concepts of computer programming. Like they must be familiar with at least one language, and if like they want to go ahead with data science, they must like know one of the Python or R, because these languages are like really useful in a data science task. So I would like to suggest that before diving into data science, one should be clear of at least one programming language. Then the next thing
Okay.
I want to suggest is that statistics is a very important part, as I mentioned. So I believe that before like jumping into the algorithms and all with the machine learning, one should also learn statistics, at least the part which is like useful in machine learning. So one should like go ahead after learning this statistics. So they should go ahead with machine learning and deep learning, NLP, and CV. and there are much more disciplines. And the other thing I would like to share here is that people keep on asking that what resources I should use for learning data science and all. So I would like to say that we there are no limit for any resource. Like we have ample amount of resources. We have many courses on Coursera, Udemy, as well as Geeks for Geeks. Then we have many YouTube channels, and apart from that, I would also like to say that we have, if one is concerned with data science, we have a very good documentation available of each and everything on the internet. So one should use that if like one likes to learn from the text. So it
Okay.
depends on the person. We have many video lectures also, and we have text also. So it vary from people to people. I love to read things, and I like to implement them. Some may like video lectures more. So there are plenty of resources. You can go and watch them.
Okay, perfect. So, like that, you have mentioned that
Yeah.
one should learn in this way or check out the various courses, various social YouTube for their references. The
Yeah.
most important thing is the habit to cultivate these things, and also to cultivate, and the basic is excel to this. So,
Yeah.
what is your take on this question? That how should one build
Okay.
this habit?
Okay, so I think that the first thing I like to focus again, that is basics. So that I already told, that basics, one must clear the basics. So that's the habit one should cultivate. Never jump onto the things before knowing the basics. First clear your basics, then go ahead. The next thing I think that is important in the field of AI and data science is that research. So I would like to say this because research is AI is a branch, like it's like an ocean. You, no matter how much you sorry, no matter how much you learn, there will always be things that you don't know. So it's like that. So I would like to suggest that try researching, try cultivate a habit of researching things on your own. So that will help you to data science. Like we have many algorithms and all. So when to apply which algorithms, when to apply which techniques, when to apply the techniques to improve your results, all that is very important. And that we can never learn from a single project or single internship. We have to keep on researching things. We have to keep on trying and trying. That's what I feel. So I think that research is the next important thing that one should cultivate. And it's not a big deal. Once you start digging the concepts of machine learning and try searching out the things on Google, it's really easy, and you will get a habit of researching then. The next thing I would like to suggest is that one should have patience, because a machine learning is a vast field, so one cannot learn overnight. So
Right.
the thing so I want that one should have patience and eagerness to learn, because it takes a lot of time. And if one gives up in middle, there's no way to learn. So I think this all the things are important, and they should cultivate these habits.
Perfect. That question came as a great advice and great
Yeah.
insight. So thank you so much for this. Thank you for the question suggestion and the answer as well. Next question. Moving forward, the next question will be related to the internships and projects. So internships and projects, as we all know, are a very integral part of your resume, of a person's
Yeah.
resume. So
Yeah.
let's discuss about these two things. That what should we keep in mind while going for an internship or choosing your project ideas. So first we'll
Okay.
discuss about internship, and then we'll discuss about projects. Please.
Okay. Okay, so internship is basically internships prepare you for the upcoming roles in the future, right? So internships, one should keep in mind that internship should provide us the implementation part. So try seeking an internship which provides you the opportunity to work on real life projects. So that will benefit you. I would like to say here that when we build a project, and when we work and we maybe suppose we build the same project in our internship, the both things are very different.
Hmm.
The thing that we do on our own and the thing that we do in an internship, or so, let's say suppose job. So that's very different, because when it's like professional thing, we will like go step by step, and there are many things that we have to follow. While doing an project, we don't follow that, we just do it by ourselves. So that is the thing, that
Right.
by doing an internship, people will come to know that how the market really works, how the things are going on in the industry.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
one should keep in mind that this the internship should provide them. The second thing is the mentorship. Like try to seek an internship which gives a good mentorship. Like they should provide us a good guidance to follow. Like currently I am an intern in Braynix AI. So here I am like able to grasp the things in a great way, such that I was never able to do that in the past when I was not doing an internship. So that is the
Got
thing
it.
that yeah, so that is the thing that you should be able to learn. That's what the important thing is. The next thing I would like to say, that in an internship we get to know the people from different domains. So suppose like take my example that I am working on a healthcare product. So we have domain specific experts, that are we have doctors in our team, we have biomedical students in our team. So that what like that's a benefit of for us. Like and as I am working on a product, I will not just focus on computer science or just focus on artificial intelligence. I will know the all the aspects of the product, and I will have to study all the domains. Like if I'm working on a
Right.
healthcare product, I would have to learn that also. So that's the benefit of an internship, that you will not be you will not be bounded with one domain. You will have to work with other domains, and that is like obviously a benefit. Like if I would not do this internship, I would never be able never take stand to learn healthcare and all. So that's the benefit. Then I would like to say about the project. That project, like selecting a project, one should keep in mind that the problem statement in the project should be very effective. Like it should be solving statement, so that will help you to boost your profile. That will add the value to your resume, because every time we see that people want something out of the box, right? So if you have like very effective problem statement, it will help you to boost your resume and your profile. And the next thing I would like to add about the project is that one should use the technologies which are trending currently, so that you will the one thing is that you will be updated with the ongoing trends and technologies in the market, and you will be able to like learn them, and you will get that project
Okay.
also. So I think you should keep in mind the project problem statement and the technologies you are using for solving that problem. So that's all about it.
That's great. Perfect. So, okay. So another question from you,
Okay.
from my side is suggested by you only. Like you wanted to discuss about the role of LinkedIn profile and resume in getting
Yeah.
an internship. So resume, we know that resume, the building of resume
Plays.
and putting internships and projects is majorly discussed in our previous question. But let's discuss about LinkedIn. And that was a great
Okay, so
suggestion, I would tell you. So let's discuss on this.
yeah. Okay, so I added this question because I keep on getting many opportunities from LinkedIn. So I will,
Right.
first of all, I got this internship from LinkedIn. Secondly, I got this proposal of this webinar from LinkedIn. So I would say that LinkedIn is like you said that we all know the role of a resume, but the LinkedIn nowadays, LinkedIn is also having the same role as resume, because people are like you can connect with people from various domains. There are recruiters, there are students. So I personally keep on getting many offers from IT companies on the basis of my LinkedIn profile. Like if my LinkedIn profile can speak this much, then I could definitely speak more than that. So LinkedIn is like something that you should keep on updating your profile. You should add your projects. You should basically keep on updating the things that you are currently working on or you have worked before. So that will help you. The next thing is that try to write a good introduction on LinkedIn as well. Try to add projects, try to add all the skills, the awards you received, your interest, and all that. That will like complete your profile and will attract the recruiters, and then definitely you will get good opportunities.
Okay, perfect. Vese, you are absolutely correct. LinkedIn is a platform, one should take the utmost, leverage right
Yeah,
now,
yeah,
because it has everything. If you are, you can get actually better opportunities through LinkedIn
yeah,
as compared to any other platform, and also
yeah,
sometimes it's also better than the campus placements
yeah.
and campus offers. So it's
Yes,
really good, and one
definitely.
should really take use of LinkedIn right now. So that was a
Yes.
great question, great suggestion, and thank you so much. And thank you so much for sharing your experience
Okay.
on the platform. So I am just left with one question from my end, and that will be asked, that I will ask in the end of this whole
Okay.
session. So let's now quickly begin our Q&A session with our audience. So I would
Okay.
request our live audience to put down their questions and queries in the comment section, and I will be picking up the questions one by one, and Maisha will be answering those questions and help me. Maisha will help you out in
Okay.
your queries. So let's begin our session, Q&A session. I would request you guys to just put down your questions in the comment section. I'm waiting for those questions. So let's begin with Ayush Raz question. Like, please recommend me any book for practice coding and have with its solution. Code book with for questions and solution.
Okay, so I would like to say that and till today I have not practiced so much of coding questions. I have like more propensity towards data science. But I would like to say that I have not used any book for practicing coding, but I've used various websites for competitive coding. The first one is Geeks4Geeks. The second one being Hacker Rank, and Lead Code. So I am really sorry. I don't know any book, but I know these websites like which are really effective. And as these websites also organize the competitions, so you can like just check out your knowledge and see where you stand by participating in these competitions.
Okay. Next question we'll take from Samad Saxena. He's asking, will my low academic results will be able to add my coding skills in front of recruiter?
Okay, so I would like to say that academic result is like for something called filtering. They will not like always focus on academics if you have good coding skills. So academic, you must have a minimum level of academic score, but it's not like but once you get filtered in your academics, then it's then no one sees your academic and marks. So then what is important is your coding skills only, your logic behind that, and your grip over that logic, and how you approach the solutions. So all that matters. So low academic result is affects to a certain extent, but not beyond that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So next question, it's from Kathan. It's Kathan. He's asking, how do you manage your college workload doing the
Actually,
internship simultaneously?
okay, so I'm also struggling with my college workload. So, but it's like once you start doing things, it gets easy for you. Like, if I was once also thinking that how will I manage doing internships and colleges and my other learning at the same time. But when I started this internship, it was like everything is in flow and I am like really able to manage things. So, I would like to suggest that you once you start doing things and you will get the way. So, and the other thing is that internships are like they are not full times mostly. So you will get time to spare for the internships as well as you can manage your college workload also.
Okay. Next question is from Apeksha. She's asking, how did you choose problem statements for your projects and how did you research about the same?
Okay, so I would like to say that whenever I'm searching something, I like search a lot. All day I'm like searching things and working on data science and all. So whenever I see something that I don't know, and whenever I see something that is like unique to me, I just note that down, and I've like written, I've like noted many problem statements like that. So whenever I get an idea, I just note that down. And on LinkedIn also we can get good ideas, as people keep posting their projects. So you cannot you do not have to copy them, but at least you can have some ideas from them, and you can implement your ideas, and that will be a like good combination. And that's all.
Okay. Next question we'll take from uh, important TSA topics
Okay,
in past
so
interview.
important DSA topics, I think, so graphs and trees, LinkedIn, link list. These are all the important topics that you can get in the interview.
Uh, Next we'll take Sakib is asking a suggestion or a help from your side. Like he is a pure beginner, but he wants to master in ML. So, what is your
Okay.
suggestion to him?
Okay, so as I said that first clear your computer programming. I mean, just learn one at least one language. Learn thoroughly, so that will help you to start. Then keep on learning statistics. Clear your concept with the statistics, and then jump into machine learning. It will be a lot much easier for you to learn machine learning after you clear your programming and statistics.
Okay, okay. Next is I'll take. Okay, let's take this question from Suraj Kumar Singh. I am a student of electronics and communication engineering. Can I apply for software firm? I also have knowledge of web development, front end, C, C++.
Yeah, of course. Of course, see, computer science is a companies just want the people with programming skills. They do not want specific background. So I have seen people from mechanical, from automobile jumping into computer science. So definitely you can apply. And in fact, I would like to say here that in my internship also we have automotive engineers, we have biomedical students, we have people from EC, and we are all working on our healthcare product and on our legal product on like computer science domain only. So it's definitely possible, and you can definitely apply.
Okay. Next question. I will not take this. Okay, one question is from my side also. Like data
Yeah.
science is something where I have observed. What is your take on the question? I'm going to select from these questions also, but I just want to understand, and I think that some of our audience also wants to understand this, that is data science AI a field in which only you have to be a science stream student, or you have to be any from engineering background, or you cannot switch your careers to that. So, what is your take on this?
No, no, it's completely as I said that in CS we do not need people from only CS background. So in the data science also we do not want management students can also go for data science. It just requires good analyzing skills and good problem solving skills. That's all. One just needs the skills, and one needs to try learning the implementation part, and try to code. That's it. If you have the skills, the analysis skills and the programming skills, then you are good to go.
Okay, so I have these two questions. I will pick up one, but we can merge the answers. So one is Anurag is asking how to be good at statistics, and Sai
Okay.
Pawan is asking that any resources for statistics for ML. So you can merge these two answers and just tell these two people that how should you. One is how to be good and what the resources. I guess the answer would be similar
Yeah.
somewhere.
Okay, so statistics is if you start learning statistics, you should be good with maths. Like you should have a basic understanding of maths. and you can then start learning statistics is like not really a big deal, but it's important from the basics point of view. Like whatever you are going to learn in data science, the backend of this are based on statistics and mathematics. So you have to be clear with statistics. And of the resources, I would again like to suggest that there are books also for statistics, and those people who do not like to read, they can go for YouTube channels. There are YouTube channels which can help you excel in statistics as well.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Uh, Next question from Kathan, same. Any specific resources that you can recommend for statistics? The answer has been covered. Uh, okay, next question is from Rishi Gupta. He's asking, can a beginner get internship in machine learning, or does he or she require any advanced skills?
Okay, so you can apply for internships like machine learning internship, but I would like to suggest that before jumping into the internship, you can try making your projects. So that will boost your knowledge as well, and that will help you to get the internship. Because whenever you go and apply for an internship, at least you have at least one or two projects made, so that will like justify your knowledge in that field. So I would like to suggest that before jumping into the internship thing, try exploring things in the specific domain and try building projects that will help you to get the internship as well as will boost your knowledge.
Okay. Now we're taking up the last question, which is by Ria Saklani. He's asking, tell me about the most challenging engineering project you've worked on.
Okay, so I have like worked on this brain tumor detection with the use of deep learning. So that was the most difficult. That was like that's just building a pipeline of deep learning, but that was difficult because I have to like get the accuracy more than 99%. And in deep learning or machine learning, try building a pipeline is not that difficult once you know the things. But trying the techniques which will improve the accuracy, trying the hyperparameters, trying different loss functions, trying different optimizers, these are all the things that matters the most. So trying and figuring out the most suitable parameters for your model is like the difficult task that was for my project, and that's why I feel that that was the difficult one. I've also written articles on that. You can check on that my profile.
Okay. Cool. So that's it. That's all for today for our Q&A session. Thank you so
Yeah.
much to our audience for being so active in the comment section and making the session a really successful one. And thanks to our audience. Thanks to Mahish for asking or for just helping our audience in the questions, in the solutions. So thank you so much for that. Now, as I've mentioned that I was left with one question. It
Yeah.
was some so the question was that there are times you feel really low when searching for these internships or preparing, and you have to keep away some distractions. So how did you manage all that? Basically, your motivation mantra we want to know.
Okay, so my motivation mantra is basically I have a goal set in my mind. So I have my goals set that are short term goals and long term goals. So setting this goal helped me to like realize that what I've done so far, what I'm currently doing, and what is yet remaining to achieve that goal. So that's always on my mind. So I keep on reminding myself that like this is achieved and this is yet to come. So that motivates me. Then the other thing is that I have always focused on learning things. Like I have focused on knowledge and the skills I have to cultivate. So that's the thing that helps me to achieve my short term goals. And meanwhile, when I achieve these short term goals, people are like they give me a lot of appreciations, my friends and family, and that also helps me a lot. So because when I just receive these appreciations, that pushes my limits, and like I want to achieve more. So that's the kind of thing. The other thing that helped me is that I am like a kind of person who really likes motivation quotes and all. So I have my diary and I have written all the motivational quotes, my favorite ones. So whenever I get low, I just go to them, I read them, and I give myself a little bit of time, and I bounce back higher.
Oh, wow. Actually, these small habits actually makes a difference in your life, and it's very difficult to adapt these habits if you have these. So, actually, you are blessed because you can
Yeah,
adapt these habits.
yeah,
So, that's really great. So, Mahisha, that's
yeah,
it from our end. That was the end of our session. Thank you so much for being such a, uh, what I would say, like sporty and into in the webinar. So
yeah.
that was great. I hope our audience are getting, are taking back a lot of insights and knowledgeable points from this session. And yeah, thank you so much from Geeks for Geeks.
Okay. I would
And
also
I
like to
hope that you have
thank.
enjoyed the session.
Of course, I have enjoyed a lot. I would also
Um,
like to thank Geeks for Geeks and especially you to have me here because I've never expected this. Like I will be giving a webinar and at such a like prestigious platform. So I'm really thankful to Geeks for Geeks as
Thank
well as the
you.
audience
Welcome.
for bearing me, for listening to me. That's and yeah, that's all.
Maybe this is the starting of something good. Maybe
Yeah,
we get to see you more, right?
yeah, definitely.
So
Looking
yeah,
forward to.
we really wish, yeah, we really wish we can
Yeah.
host another session with you. So thank you so much and all the best for your future, Manisha.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.
So guys, that was it. That was the today's session. That was pretty good, huh? So again, I will start again. So you have to bear it. Geek Olympics. Check it out, please. It has the our events, our contests are directly related to rewards and discount on our courses. So, and this is the time when you can grab those questions. So, grab those opportunities. So, you should take this thing very seriously. I have put the link in the comment section as well, previous prior to the session, so you can just check it. Also, the link of the same is in the description as well. You can check it out there. Today, we right now we are having this event called Jobathon for internships. This is for everybody who's looking out for internships and want to bag an internship. So it's a too long hiring challenge, and it has questions related to DSA, MCQ related to Java, MCQ related to SQL, and logical reasoning. So it has everything. And the thing that has to be really kept in mind that it is now just it has just 5 hours left in it. So you should not forget it. And if you want, what if you want? Why I'm asking this from you guys? I am just putting the link of the same in the comment section again. You can directly go and check it out, our jobathon and the page. And don't forget to miss it, because these contests and everything, they have very good awards and rewards. And yeah, you can also check out our courses, which might have discount with your favorite course. The course that you have been looking for a long time may have a discount, so don't forget to check those out. So yeah, that's pretty much. So thank you so much for being such an amazing audience. Now uh, perfect. Okay. So, okay, people. I am for those people whose questions have not been picked up. I'm really sorry, because we have this time constraint, right? There is a huge lineup that we are preparing for you guys. So sometimes some question miss. Please don't be upset about it, and your questions will be picked up. And try to be try to put your questions earlier so that I can take those questions. And yes, we have more webinars, and because of the huge lineup, we tend to keep timeline of everything. That's why sometimes question me, but we are, as you can also observe, that we are doing this webinar on a very frequent basis. Today we have another webinar at 4 p.m. and we have a live mock interview at 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. I'll see you again. So don't miss any of the webinar. And yeah, I'll see you again in the evening. Till then, I would say bell icon or anything else. But don't forget to subscribe, because there is another session of interview preparation strategies coming towards you. That is at 4 p.m. from a professional. So yeah, till then, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Keep learning. Don't forget to check the Geeks for Geeks link, that the Geeks for Geeks Geek Olympic link, and that I put in the comment section. Bye bye.